Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up crypto in GCash. We'll cover the simple steps to get you started with buying and selling digital assets directly from your phone. It's a straightforward process designed for ease of use, allowing you to explore the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Get ready to unlock new financial possibilities right within your GCash app. First, make sure your GCash account is fully verified. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Once verified, open your GCash app and look for the G Invest icon. Tapping on this will lead you to various investment options, including the new crypto feature. Select crypto to begin setting up your digital asset journey. Now, ensure your GCash wallet has enough funds for your initial crypto purchase. You can easily top up your wallet if needed. Once funded, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Choose the one you're interested in, enter the amount you wish to invest, and then confirm your transaction. It's that simple to make your first crypto buy. Managing your crypto is straightforward. Your portfolio is always accessible within the GCash app, allowing you to track your investments. When you decide to sell, the process is just as easy. Simply select the crypto you wish to sell, confirm the amount, and the funds will be credited directly back to your GCash wallet, ready for use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.